How to enable location on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings. And once you do that, scroll down to apps. Then navigate to Snapchat. Once you're here, from the privacy section, you want to click on permissions and then scroll down to the not allowed section. There you will find the location, click on it, and you will be redirected to this page right here, from which you will be able to select the location access option that suits you the best. You can, for example, choose the location permission to be allowed all the time or allowed only while using the app, etc. So choose whatever option works best for you. And once you do that, the location access will be granted to the Snapchat app, as you can see, and the location option has been moved to the allowed permissions section. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can allow the location access in the Snapchat app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.